Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the VOLISUN Modern Bathroom Vanity Light, a sleek 24-inch fixture with a rotatable design for versatile lighting. This light offers 5 color temperatures from warm 2700K to bright 5000K, easily adjustable with a simple slide control. It is dimmable from 5 to 100%, helping you save energy while setting the perfect ambience. Made with high-quality metal and white acrylic, it features an IP44 rating for water and dust resistance, ideal for bathroom environments. The 180-degree rotatable head lets you direct light exactly where you need it, enhancing your mirror area. Certified by ETL, the fixture ensures safety and durability with a lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Plus, it's easy to install, designed to fit standard US junction boxes for a hassle-free upgrade. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.